วัสดีค่ะดิฉันกิตยาค่ะ Hi everyone, I am Kitaya. Welcome to tpod101.com's Learn Thai in 3 minutes, the fastest, easiest, and the most fun way to learn Thai. In the last lesson, we learned how to ask when questions in Thai. This time, we are going to ask who questions. Imagine you want to ask your friend who the attractive girl just behind him is. Here, the question you can ask is ผู้หญิงที่อยู่ข้างหลังคุณคือใครผู้หญิงที่อยู่ข้างหลังคุณคือใคร So let's break this down. First, we had ผู้หญิง is woman in Thai. ที่อยู่ means which is located. ข้างหลัง means behind. And คุณ is you. คือ means to be. And finally, ใคร which is the basic translation of who in Thai. Altogether, it is ผู้หญิงที่อยู่ข้างหลังคุณคือใคร Who is the woman behind you? So, in Thai, who is mainly translated as ใคร to ask about someone's identity. For example, if you want to ask who are these people, you will say คนเหล่านี้คือใคร when talking about a group of unknown persons. ใคร only works for people, so you cannot use it to ask information about things or places. As a question word, ใคร can also be used to ask who did something. For example, if you are in the museum, for instance, you can ask ใครวาดภาพนี้ This means who painted this painting. Another question word with ใคร that is used quite a lot is ของใคร In this case, the meaning is whose. So if you want to ask whose pen is this, you have to say ปากกาของใคร If we break down this question, it is ปากกา which is pen, and ของใคร which is whose. You can also use the word ใคร to ask for which person is it. In Thai, we use the formula สำหรับใคร So if you want to know for which person is this piece of cake, it will be เค้กชิ้นนี้สำหรับใคร Now it's time for Kitaya's quick tips. If someone that you didn't expect is knocking at your door in Thailand, you can ask นั่นใครคะ or นั่นใครครับ before opening the door. This literally means who is that in the polite way. Before ending this lesson, let's go back and look at all the ways to translate who in Thai. ใคร is a basic who, as in ใครวาดภาพนี้ ของใคร is like whose, as in whose pen is this, ปากกาของใคร สำหรับใคร which is the direct translation of for whom, as in for whom is this piece of cake, เค้กชิ้นนี้สำหรับใครIn this lesson, we learned how to correctly use the question word who, which is ใคร in Thai, and also its variations. The next lesson will be the last of this series. We will deal with the last question word ทำไม which means why. I will be waiting for you in the next Learn Thai in 3 minutes. สวัสดีค่ะ